This is hands down one of my favorite unsweetened buttermilk cornbread recipes. Growing up, I remember my grandma Barb eating this all the time in a bowl of milk, and I thought it looked so nasty. And now look at me doing the same thing. It's so good, y'all. Let me show you how to make it. Okay, I have some white cornmeal here. You can use yellow cornmeal if you want to. I'm going to add this into my bowl. Next, I'm going to add in a little bit of all-purpose flour, and then we're going to throw in some salt. We're going to whisk this around really good because we don't want to have any pockets of salt in our cornbread. Now, moving right along to our eggs, we got 3 eggs in this cornbread, y'all, because we want moisture and richness, and them eggs gonna do it. Mix them up really well until they are uniform in color. Then we're gonna add them to a large bowl. Ooh, and here comes one of my favorite ingredients in the whole world, buttermilk. Add that buttermilk in there. We're going to add in some salted butter, and we're also going to add in a little bit of canola oil. You want to stir this up just to get everything well combined. Okay, that looks good. So now it's time to add our wet ingredients into our dry ingredients. You want to stir this up gently, okay? Very gently, and just until you can no longer see any flour. Please, I'm begging you, please do not over stir the batter. You want the batter to be a little bit lumpy because if you over stir it, child, that's gonna be some dry cornbread, like for real. You see how the batter's kind of lumpy like this? That's what you want. All right, my skillet is preheated and glistening with that butter flavored shortening. You want to pour this batter directly into the center of that hot skillet. If you don't have a skillet, you can use a heavy, dark cake pan, works just as good, be fine. All right, we're gonna bake this at 450 for about 15 to 18 minutes. I like to broil it at the end to get it, nice and brown. And as soon as it comes out that oven, y'all, hit it with some salted butter. So good. And here's the one I baked in the cake pan, gorgeous. And that is it, you guys. You have buttery golden buttermilk cornbread that is crunchy on the outside and tender and moist on the inside. The best unsweetened cornbread ever. Get the recipe on divascancook.com. Later, y'all.